also struggling to find the right internship? Wait, I will tell you my story and I will be showing you the proof that how you can differentiate between scam and right internship. Hello everyone, my name is Isha Tiwari and welcome to Challenge Corner. Before we begin this video, I will be sharing few screenshot with you all, and this screenshot is of the conversation that I did with someone on LinkedIn, and I hope that you know about LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a professional platform where we can connect with good people, where we can find job, internship and showcase our achievements, etc. So I stay connected and always active on LinkedIn, creating few posts regarding that, means creative student and college life related post. So I keep on posting content there. And before I tell you my story, means before I tell you this particular situation that I'm going to tell you, I should say, like, for those who want more videos regarding LinkedIn, like how to make profile on LinkedIn, how to search for jobs, what to write, and how to post. So I will make the video. Just do comment below so that I can know like how many people are interested in this particular video. So I will be making video related to that. Okay. So coming back to my topic, like I will be sharing you the screenshot. I hope you can see the screenshot in the screen, and I'm reading it along with you. So it was a message from a person whose profile was mentioned as managing director, chartered accountant. Okay, and it was also mentioned like tax consultant. So I wrote, okay, thanks, because congrats on the new role. I was having a new role on a particular thing, right? On January 15, you can see he has messaged me, "Hey Isha, whenever I saw your writing skill, I stop and read full of your post. If you don't mind, would you join my office as a head graphics designer or HR department?" So I was very happy at that time after reading this. I said, "Thanks for this opportunity. Would like to know more about this." Okay, because we can't directly apply for anything, we should know in detail like what is the role, what will be the work, and how will be the salary, how much will be the salary, right? So I also mentioned, because I was a second year third semester student, so I mentioned it clearly, like I can't be available for full time because I am regularly attending my college. So how it can be managed? So I wrote, as I am a BCA student, so I will not be able to work at office, would like to know if it could be done online work from home. So he said like work from home also applicable. That's good. Whenever you read this text, kindly text to my PS. Now he gave me the number, contact number of his PS, and she was a girl at Instagram. So after reading this, I thought it's professional thing. So he should have given me the LinkedIn profile or his number directly, but he is giving at Instagram. And clear all your query. So I said, okay, let's see. After that, I confirmed, like, is this your contact number? Then he said, no, she is my PS. And after that, she means he wrote the details. Okay, so I have not mentioned it here. Sir, can you please send me the website of your firm and the location as well? So here you can see the concern I'm having related to the organization. Okay, so after I queried further at Instagram and on his number as well. So after I queried further, I got to know like he was offering rupees 60,000 per month for a basic task like sending or checking the mail, scheduling meetings, arranging files, etc. So it was not related to graphic designer or HR department role. So first I got confused, like it was 60,000 per month and I was just a BCA student, and that too with second year third semester student. Okay, after that I thought it's not looking like a genuine, because he asked me for graphic designer or HR department role, but now he is offering something else. So I just ignored that. I didn't go further after this. But after few days, now you will be shocked to know what happened. After few days he messaged me himself, and it was the morning time, so he wished me good morning, and after that there was a long message. So you will be surprised now, because the long message was not regarding any job offer or anything else. It was a marriage proposal. I literally, I was literally laughing. Like, I was not afraid that time. I was literally laughing what it was. I was a second year, third semester student, and I was just searching for a job. And he himself came to my profile. He read my post. Means all these steps. Means I was literally laughing. It was a quite funny experience for me as well. And we don't know how many more people like him really exist on LinkedIn as well, right? So I'm not saying like the platform is wrong, but some people are wrong, so we should be aware of the things like how we can apply for those internships in a right manner. So that's why I have made this video. So I have also shown you the proof. Okay, one proof is there at the end of this video, so stay connected. So after all these things, I just blocked the person, I just ignored everything, each and every message. But still the ID exists on LinkedIn. I can see now also the LinkedIn exists. So he is talking more and more to different students also. He might be talking to like this. So that can be a fraud or a scam. So be aware of these things. So after this situation, I realized it's not only me, but there are many students who are struggling to find the right internship, and they are also not able to identify or differentiate between a scam and right internship. So I researched a lot. I applied for as many as internships I can. I researched a lot. So after my research, I got to know, oh, these are the points that I should keep in mind before applying for an internship. So now I'm going to share all those points with you. So stay connected in this video. And at the end of this video, I will be showing you the certificate of completion that I got from my internship, as well as the letter of recommendation, so that you can means clear all your doubts, like what are the points, what should be mentioned in the certificate, and everything would be clear. Okay, so let's get started. So first point that I should mention is you should go through the company's or organization's website. You should go through that once to know more about the company. Second, I should say search the company or the organization on LinkedIn, whether it's having the good profile or not, professional profile or not, and you have to read each and everything regarding that. Third, I should suggest like you should know who is the CEO or founder of the company, and after that you can watch or means look into his or her profile, whether it's professional or not, what are the things, what are the experiences, what are the posts. So all through this you have to go through. Fourth thing I should say, you should analyze, like you have to ask your ex interns or alumni like what was their experience in this particular internship. Next, I should say whether the internship is of your interest or not, your field or not, but you should go into that particular thing, because whenever you are working in a particular firm, you are working on a particular criteria. So you should know yourself better whether you are meant for it or not. So you should explore more whether you are in first or second year of your college. Okay, after that I should suggest a point like you should check whether you are able to come out of your comfort zone or not, because if you are coming out of your comfort zone, that means the internship is well and good, because it is trying to make you put more extra efforts on the task and you are learning something good. Okay, so that's good. And at last comes the topic that is most important topic, like how to identify the certificates and LOR are validate means are valid or not, right? So the last point is you should check the validation as well as the importance of the certificate the company is giving. So whether it is having a proper ID or not, whether it is registered or not, so all these things you have to keep in mind. So, guys, I have told you all these points you should keep in mind before applying for any internship. Now, I am going to show you few certificates, and all these things should apply on these certificates as well. So, I'm having these two things. I should show it on the screen, but my camera is front camera, so the things are coming in inverted way, right? So I should share the screenshot on the screen, you can see. So I'm having a certificate of completion here, as you can see. And the next thing is I'm having the LOR with me, physical LOR, that is letter of recommendation. Okay, now I will be showing you. Here you can see here, here at the end there is a QR scan, as you can see. So this QR scan validates like this particular certificate, and it is mentioned here that it is registered under Startup India. So registered under Startup India as it's Indian internship, so it's government recognized company, so that was okay. Here is the signature of founder and CEO of the company, that also validates the certificate. Here's my name and my achievement is written here, the date and the type of internship I did. Also there is a company's name here written on the certificate. Okay, so this is my certificate of completion, and here is a unique ID. This ID makes your certificate unique, whether no one is able to copy this particular thing, so whether it is valid or not. So all these things are mentioned in this particular certificate. Same applies with the letter of recommendation, that is LOR. Here company's name, and here it is written like it is registered under Startup India. Also here the date is mentioned very well, and all the achievements and all the appreciation is written here. After that, here it is, you can see the signature of the founder and CEO of the company. Right, so I hope that you can see it clearly on your screen. So I have mentioned it there, and this is all about, means in this video I have told you all the precautions that you should keep in mind before you are applying or you are getting an offer for any internship in an organization. Okay, but I'm not saying this is, means everything that you have to know about applying the internship. Okay, so this is not at all, but there are few more things that you should keep in mind. You should have proper hard skill to apply for that particular internship. You should have better communication skill. Your resume should be very good and effective, so that you can apply for any internship or even for a job. Okay, so I will be uploading more and more videos related to these topics like communication skill, effective CV, resume, and your hard skills. So everything I will be posting in my channel. So please subscribe my channel and do let me know in the comments whether you are seeing this video in a very helpful way or not, because this video is helpful to you, and I hope that I will be creating a playlist of videos in which there would be everything regarding the internship. So do subscribe my channel, and remember, this is your challenge corner.